Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy trading in Bitget. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now, it will interest you to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto to crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, AI trading bots, and Launchpad. Now that we know what Bitget is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to copy trading or how to copy a trade in Bitget. So from your home page, which of course we're in right now, head over to the top corner of your screen. You're going to find buy crypto, markets trade. You're going to find copy. So move your cursor to copy. And once you move it there, it's advisable that you use futures copy trading. Now you can choose spot copy trading, you can use bot copy trading, but let's go ahead and click on futures copy trading. So click on that and it's going to take you to the next window. It's coming right up. Okay, that's coming right up. So now that we're here, I don't want a tutorial. I'm just going to click the X. Okay, page is responsive. All right. So from here, you're going to scroll all the way down to select somebody or anybody that you want to copy a trade from. So let's say this is Liquidity Hunter, this is Precision Signals. Go ahead and choose the person that you want to copy this trade from. Let's say this is somebody that I like, so you can go ahead and check the person's total PNL, AUM, total copies PNL, and max drawn down. You see the person's ROI, check if it's impressive enough, and click on this copy option. So just click on that copy button. So you're gonna have to agree to the Bitget copy trade agreement. So click on this checkbox and select confirm. And that's going to take you to the next window. Okay. Okay, so from this window, you're going to see this person, right? The smart copy, and you can see all about this person. All right, so in here, you're going to have to select, because you're copying this trade, go ahead and select the minimum of USDT that you want to use for this particular trade. So let's say I want to use 100 USDT. Now I have insufficient funds, very insufficient funds. So it means you have to deposit some amount of money into your Bitget so that you can start doing this. So before you even get to this option, it means you need to deposit some amount of money into your Bitget. All right, but then I have insufficient funds, so that's not even going to work. But then after doing that, after selecting the amount of funds that you want to use for this trade, you can even set this. All right, you can set, there's no sufficient funds, so I really cannot do anything in here. So you can click on this transfer, you can click on buy to buy some amount of money that you can use for this trading. So you can even use the small setting options to see all of this, like the risk management. You can copy trading pairs, they can auto copy, and then margin mode and leverage adjustment. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on copy. Now, I will not be able to proceed to the next phase because I have insufficient balance. But if you do, go ahead and click on copy. And once you click on copy, it's now going to take you into the trade itself, where you can now start trading just as this person is trading. And it's also going to take you to a window where you're going to see how many percent is going to get to you, like 90% is going to get to you, and then 10% of the profit is going to get to the person that you copied this trade from. Now, even when you get to the next window, you can go ahead and click on the person that's you have an option, or you're going to see an option where you're going to find the traders that you're copying from. And once you click on that, you're going to see the edit button that can allow you to edit these settings right here, and of course stop following them. All right, so you can click on unfollow once you get to follow trader. So you're going to get to the next window and you see a couple options. One of them is follow traders. You can click on that and then choose the edit button, choose the edit option, or click on unfollow to unfollow the trader. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can copy trading in Bitget. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.